Hi everyone and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Join me in this one as I camp in some local woodland. Welcome back everyone. As in the little intro tonight, I am solo hammock camping in the rain. I love rain. Do you love rain? Oh, it's been a while. We've had all that glorious hot summer, haven't we, and everything, so it's nice to be out in this cool, refreshing bit of water. Right then, so I'm in this local little bit of woodland, not too far from my house, probably 5 or 6 miles from my house. I found it on the map. I'm not sure if it's private or what. I'm not, so it's going to be a sort of quick overnight sort of stealth camp, in and out, keep my eye out for any sort of dog walkers, any landowners, that sort of thing. But yeah, I need to get set up and get out of this rain, to be honest. It's been raining now literally all day long, so yeah, I need to go and get set up. So I'm going to do that. Well, I'll get to where I'm going to set up and I'll bring you back. Oh, right, well, I've been walking for about 20 minutes or so now in this bit of woodland, getting absolutely drenched. I found a nice little spot in a bit of a clearing. I'll try and show you it, but I want to get set up because my camera, my microphone, everything's getting wet at the minute, so I'm going to sling my tarp up, sling my hammock up, and I'll bring you back. Well, I've got it set up as you can see, but I've set it really quite low, just so that I'm protected from sort of side driving rain and everything. So yeah, we'll set low. I'm in the bespoke hammock, and this is the Lomo Watersport tarp. But for now, I'm just going to get under there, chill out, and record some footage from under the tarp. Right, well, as I said earlier, just a quick overnighter. Now, I don't want to sit in the hammock because my pants are wet. I have got my base layers in my bag, so when it's time for bed I will get changed into them and then throw all these wet clothes in the net hammock underneath. I use as like a gear sling. Oh, now it's knocking on 9 o'clock. I had my tea at home, and cheers everyone. So I've got no need to cook tonight. One of the reasons I've come out tonight actually is to do some beam shots with my new Phoenix light. It's a bit too far to reach, but the PD36 tack. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can get some lovely beam shots in the woods with that later on. Oh, I'm absolutely soaked. So I'm going to try and dry off, maybe get a little bit of footage dripping off at tarp. Yeah, see you soon. Right, well, as I just said, I'm come out to do some beam shots and maybe an actual review video for this. So this is my Phoenix PD36 tack. It's been kindly laser engraved by my Phoenix. Now if you click on any of my videos, there is a link direct to my Phoenix, and it does help me out. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy something from them I get a little bit of a kickback, which I think is very, very kind of them. They've only just recently started that in the last sort of month or so, so thank you very much everyone at My Phoenix, really do appreciate it. I've got my first sale from there, so I've earned myself £2.99. But yeah, I'm going to be out doing some lovely shots of this, but just look at that. Brilliant is this torch. I've used it now for probably about a month, 6 weeks, something like that. I really do like it. Actually replaced the TK11 tack that I lost when my head was all over the place, so again, nice replacement. Oh man, I have just seen a family of deer. So I had like 2 deer, so obviously a mum and a dad, and then like 1 baby deer. It's quite weird to see all 3. I'm not even sure if it's like, I don't know what to call it, birthing season I suppose for deers, but this baby was not tiny, probably about the size of a large dog. But yeah, wow. I just wasn't quick enough on the camera and they've shot off now, I've startled them, but right, we're off exploring again. I think I made it back just in time. Right, well I've been out filming the review for the PD36 tack, so I look forward to that. I'll try and just sort of flash a little bit of footage that I got up on screen for you now. But it's coming up 10:30. The rain's sort of set in, but it's not heavy at the moment. Yeah, so I'm just going to get laid down. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, well, that were hard work. I've set the hammock quite low, so it's a bit off kilter to what I'm normally used to. I should have tried it really a little bit earlier on, but you know, I'm still in it, it's still comfortable. Oh. Right. Oh dear. See you in a minute. So I brought my base layers, but because of how I've set everything, it's just too much of a faff to try and get changed, so I've just literally stripped down to my underpants. Now the fleece that I've got on has been kept awesomely dry by that Rodeel rain jacket that you can probably just see hanging there somewhere. Can you? Let's have a look. Yeah, you see that green bit just here? I've just clipped it into the carabiner. But yeah, kept this fleece nice and dry. So I'm just, as I say, in my underwear. Pants are over the ridgeline at the far end. Love it. Right. I'm going to get settled and then I'll come back and say night. Oh, I have no idea what time it is. But just been woken up. Had a bit of a heavy downpour. But yeah. Missed it, couldn't reach my camera. I'll try and catch a little bit if I can. But I'm having issues with my power bank. Oh, when I plug it in, it seems to be zapping it rather than charging it. Ooh, I'm going back to sleep. I tell you what, this quilt from One Wind, absolutely stunning. I said earlier I'm down to my underwear and it's kept me absolute toasty all night long. My underwear's a little bit wet actually from when I sat on the floor, so it's done well to do that. Struggling to sleep on this one. I know I've got to get up early on and get out of here. I don't want to go to school. Right. Hold on. Good morning. I appear to be full of cold. Oh, I'm not cold, but I feel full of it, just a bit bunged up. Oh, another comfortable night's sleep. This quilt is top notch. The beauty of a quilt is obviously when you get a bit too warm as well, you can just like stick a leg out, and when you've just down to your undercrackers, bonus is that. Oh, it appears I've broken my filming light overnight. See this bottom bit, if you can see. Yeah, there you go. Tripod must have fallen over and I've just broken it. There's a couple of things failing on me at the minute. On my filming light. And there's a power bank which I've got somewhere here. Yeah, it seems to be zapping power rather than charging it. Oh. Right, the rain seemed to ease off, probably about midnight. I think this is just going to be throw all this in the bag. I'm not going to pack this up properly, it needs obviously drying off at home. Yeah. Well, good morning. I'm a little bit more alive than I was a second ago. Don't look at it, do I? But yeah, you can see my setup behind me. Ground is sodden. Literally just going to be a tear down, throw it in the bag, off a pop. So let's get to it. Well, that's me done for another camp. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed or you're just going to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.